This tutorial will demonstrate how to transfer an item to either inventory or a different project in Design Manager, as the original client has returned or rejected the merchandise for whatever reason. Before starting, it is important to remember that only items for which the vendor invoice or invoices have been entered can be transferred. If you simply want to reproduce an item in another project, you can use the Copy and Paste feature. The first step to transfer an item is to go to the Project Specifications window and select the project from which you will be transferring the item. Next, select the item and click the Transfer button. Again, if there have been no vendor invoices recorded for the item, you will be informed as such and you will not be able to use the item transfer. On the Transfer Project Item window, first choose whether to transfer the item to an existing project or to inventory. We will transfer to a project in this example, so input the project into which the item will be transferred. Next, you will indicate if you wish to create a new item in the destination project or transfer the merchandise as components of an existing item in that project. We will create a new item in this example. Click OK to execute the transfer. Click Yes when prompted to confirm. Then click OK to acknowledge the transfer is complete. The status of the item will change accordingly. You may wish to mark the item as complete. Now the item, along with all the proper accounting, has been transferred to the destination project. We can also transfer an item directly to inventory. Again, go to the Specifications window and input the project from which you wish to transfer the item. Select the item you wish to move to inventory on the Items grid and click the Transfer button. In this case, select the To Stock option. Then choose whether to create a new stock item or to join the merchandise to an existing stock item. We will create a new inventory item in our example. Enter the desired stock number for the new inventory item and select the proper warehouse into which you wish to transfer the merchandise. Click OK to begin the transfer, then click Yes to confirm. Finally, click OK when the transfer is complete. Again, the status of the original item has changed accordingly, and you may wish to mark it as complete. The transferred item has now been recorded as a new inventory item, again, along with all of the proper background accounting. For our final example, we will transfer a portion of an item to an existing item. Return to the Specifications window. Input the project, select the items on the Items grid, and click the Transfer button. In this example, we will only transfer the bedding and pillows to another project. Use the Edit button to remove the quantity and cost from the bed itself, indicating that it will not be transferred. Next, input the destination project and select the option as components of an existing item. Then select the item into which you wish to transfer the components. Click OK to begin the transfer, then click Yes to confirm. Finally, click OK when the transfer is complete. Now, if we review the item into which we transferred the pillows and bedding, we can see the components have now been added to the desired item. And that final example concludes our tutorial on using the item transfer function.
To review more tutorials and search our knowledge base articles, please visit our Help Center under the Support menu of DesignManager.com.